Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Ved channel and on the presentation of canine leishmaniasis. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see an important disease in canines. It is useful for the canine practitioners. In part 1, we will see the synonym, definition, etiology, transmission, and pathogenesis of the canine leishmaniasis. Canine leishmaniasis has a variety type of the synonyms. Cutaneous leishmaniasis, when the lesions are found mostly on skin, sometimes exfoliative or granulomatous necrotizing lesions or ulcerative lesions are observed. That is called as cutaneous leishmaniasis. Visceral leishmaniasis is also called as Kala Azar. Mostly the generalized body system organs are involved. Aspundia, it is a rare condition where the mucous membrane and skin are involved. At the same time, the mucocutaneous junction may also be involved. So it is called as aspundia. Then dum-dum sore, the word sore means a skin lesion, ulcerative lesion. From the name of the place, Dum-dum. Dum-dum is area near Kolkata. Similarly, such ulcerative lesions observed in Delhi, Delhi sore. Observed such lesions in East Asia, Oriental sore. Such sores observed in Baghdad, named as Baghdad sore. For a canine practitioner, this disease is very much important for the practice. At the same time, this is a zoonotic disease. So veterinarian must be very careful about this disease. In this presentation, we will see the introductory part of the canine leishmaniasis. It is caused by protozoan parasite genus Leishmania. The most common species in dog is Leishmania donovani and sometimes Leishmania tropica. More common is Leishmania donovani. The dog act as a main reservoir host for human visceral leishmaniasis. The veterinary doctor should be take care about all these things as a zoonotic disease. Leishmaniasis is transmitted by bites of various species of sandflies, of which phlebotomyines species of flies is important. The signs range from a localized skin lesions to lymphadenopathy to renal failure and visceral form is also observed. So in dog, it is termed as viscerocutaneous disease. In this presentation, we'll see the information about etiologies. Very common organisms in dogs are Leishmania donovani and Leishmania tropica. More than 23 species of Leishmania are found and most are zoonotic. Disease is potentially fatal in dogs and men if it is severely infected. Primary host is dog and man. Rare hosts are cats, horses, and wild mammals. they are rarely infected. Canine leishmaniasis is a major zoonosis and endemic disease in more than 90 countries of the world, and it is mostly prevalent in India, Asia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and South and Central America. Here we will see transmission and pathogenesis of leishmaniasis. Leishmania is a diphasic parasite. It completes its life cycle in two hosts. One is the sandfly and other is a dog. In a sandfly, there is a flagellated form. They remain extracellular and that is called as promastigote form. In sandfly, it is flagellated extracellular promastigote form. Leishmaniasis is transmitted by bite of infected female of phlebotomine species of sandflies. Sandflies inject the infective stage that is called as promastigotes. That infective stage of Leishmania is called as promastigotes, and the sandfly releases this from the proboscis during the blood sucking. In dogs, the promastigotes that reach the puncture wound of the skin, this promastigote stage are from the proboscis of the sandfly. When they reach to the skin by puncturing by the sandfly, they are phagocytosed by the macrophages and mononuclear phagocytic cells. And these promastigotes are transformed into amastigotes. Amastigote forms are found in dogs, that is mammals. In dogs, it replicates as a intracellular amastigote parasite form. So in dog, it is a amastigote form. In sandfly, it is a promastigote form. What is amastigote? Amastigotes are the parasite form. They persist in infected host, infect cells of the lesion, and disseminate the infection to other sites. After multiplication, the parasite disseminates throughout the hemolymphatic system organs of the host. The parasite is spread or distributed throughout the body of the host. The routes of transmissions are: one, we have seen vector borne by phlebotomines and flies. That is one. Sometimes there is transmission from dam to pup. It is called as congenital vertical transmission. Transmission by transfusion of blood products from the infected dog. There is direct transmission from dog to dog, that is by contact with diseased dog. When household dogs are fighting with each other, then they transmit the disease by biting or by contact. There are many factors that influence the course of disease. These factors are age factor, breed, genetic constituents of the host, nutrition, concurrent infections, and non-infectious diseases also. These all factors influence the course of disease. Of which important is immune response is the most important factor in deciding the severity of disease and course of the disease. Thus, the immune response or immunological factor is the important factor that decides the severity and course of the disease. Friends requested to share the information to veterinary brothers, requested to subscribe the channel to support the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time I will be with Leishmaniasis part 2. Thanks.